Thank you very much. My name is Adam Kaplan, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Edgybees. This is a video coming from a flooded scenario, which is all too familiar from us from last summer during the hurricanes. As you can see, you lack of the orientation, understanding what you're looking at. We are providing augmented reality, which can augment maps over flooded areas, find points of interest, as well as find victims which need to be located during floods. This software is live today. The software also provides augmentation of, as I said, maps, fire engines, first responders, firemen on the scene, as well as power lines to enable them to be safe. Once again, the software is live, was used during the post-Hurricane Irma, as well as during the California fires up in Santa Rosa, as well as down in Montecito. The software is being used in Florida, Texas, and California, and is helping first responders and helping save people around the world. We've built this software on top of an augmented reality platform, which is an AR OS layer. Initially, we started off as a gaming company, and we moved to developing this application on first response. The software is available on drones, CCTV, as well as on automobiles. We're selling initially to these 25,000 fire departments, police departments, as well as 250,000 Homeland Security officers. This is not a nice-to-have, but a must-have piece of software. All of these departments are buying drones, automobiles, and all have cameras on it. And this is something that is required by all of these users. It's being used, as I mentioned, out in Florida, as well as California, and these are a few of the officers. It helps them fly at night, gives them augmented reality to understand, and gives them data feeds to understand where potential leaks are, as well as where they require repairs. It helps oil and gas companies. We work, as I mentioned, in the wildfires up in Northern California, and it gives them situational awareness. We're partnered and proudly partnered to be with DJI, who's a major drone player, in which they sell their hardware as well as our software as a package. We're focused on the public safety market, but also are looking at a number of different markets where our technology is being implemented.
In 2011, we suffered one of our greatest wildland firefighting seasons that we'd ever had in Texas. I recognized then, in that pursuit of technology, UAS would be phenomenal to be able to get that aerial view of the fire, where the fire is, what's ahead of it, where our firefighters were, and to be able to track the firefighters more efficiently, coordinate our efforts, and keep them safer.
In firefighting, the main thing is to get situational awareness. First response from Edgybees enhances the capabilities that we already have from drones. So if you were looking to try to figure out what streets to route an engine or a brush truck in or something like that, that's available to you from the air rather than having to try to decipher what you're seeing in the visual onto a map. It just adds the information right on top of it, and you can make decisions quicker and better.
So I look really forward to the next 5 years and where the future brings us and making us even safer as firefighters and responders.
So we have an amazing team of engineers based here in Israel. This team is led by my CTO and co-founder, Menashe Haskin, who previously worked at Amazon for 5 years. He worked on such noted projects such as the Amazon Alexa, Fire TV, and the Prime Air delivery drone. We have an amazing team that's delivering technology, helping the world. Thank you very much.